The U-boat Darkmoon Capsoil collection just got a little more interesting. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today we're taking a look at a beautifully unique wristwatch, something unlike anything else you've seen so far. This comes from the fantastic U-boat Capsoil collection, but this one has an incredible new dial. Before we dig into all of its details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. This watch has a 44mm diameter with a 51.5mm lug-to-lug distance. It's 16.3mm thick and powered by a Swiss quartz movement. The packaging and presentation for a U-boat watch is always extremely enjoyable, but of course, the watch is still the star of the show. This amazing Capsoil collection from U-boat has become a fan favorite, especially at our shop. Not only are they extremely well crafted and attainably priced, but they're very good looking on top of it all. And speaking of good looks, this amazing new bronze colored dial is my favorite one so far. I know I've probably said that before, but this one truly takes the cake. This one pairs that unique colored dial with this amazingly finished stainless steel case. Of course, this stainless steel has a bronze coating, and accordingly, it should stay looking the way that it is forever. Of course, as with the others in this lineup, this one has a massive domed sapphire crystal because underneath is that oil filling. Of course, with the liquid oil filling, it does have that bubble that floats around as you move with the watch. So if that bothers you, this one might not be for you. But if you can look past that portion and enjoy that for what it is, this watch is magnificent. In typical U-boat fashion, we have the crown here on the left side of the case, and this one is very nicely signed, quite legible, and also very functional. Hopefully this also gives you a sense of just how massive that domed sapphire crystal is. I think the look is one of a kind, and it's completely enjoyable when you wear it and look at it. When you flip the watch over, you get a look at this very interesting case back. This one has this ring locking system, which you can use to change the battery in this watch. The battery inside powers this reliable Swiss quartz movement, and as you can see, this has a 50-meter water resistance. This U-boat branded black rubber strap is very high quality and feels substantial when in hand. Of course, the branding is everywhere, as you're used to seeing with U-boat watches. Technically, we do have a loomed dial here, although that wouldn't be one of my main selling points for this watch. This dial would be, however, because there is nothing I've seen in the watch world that's quite like this one. If you haven't seen it in person, please make sure you do. It looks incredible. With that awesome sunburst finish, it takes on different hues depending on how the light is hitting the watch, and I just think it's an exciting timepiece. This is a little up there for a quartz watch, I will admit, at $1,420. But with that in mind, you are getting an extremely exquisitely crafted timepiece with a totally unique look and feel. This one is very nice to behold, and I think anyone could make a space for this in their collection. Aesthetically, I am in love with this wristwatch. It is totally unique and unlike anything else you'll see on a daily basis. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.